What's up YouTube? Jeff back from SammyGuru.com here, and yes, finally back on the SammyGuru YouTube channel. I know a lot of you guys out there missed my Samsung content. My personal channel is now covering more general tech, but I couldn't stay away from Samsung. We're bringing the SammyGuru channel back in a big way. There's going to be at least 3 videos a week here, potentially more. I have a couple other people joining me, but I'm going to be making a lot of videos over here again. And today, we have a very exciting video for you guys. One thing that I absolutely hate when I'm using my phone is I download an app and you get one of those apps that sends you spammy notifications to come back, says you want a prize, sends you notifications to come back and engage with the app all the time. Well, funny enough, Samsung actually does this a little bit themselves with the Galaxy Store, but they actually created a tool now that lives on your Galaxy phone, a setting that allows you to turn this off for other apps, not for the Galaxy Store. So we're going to talk about today how you guys can enable the setting and how to shut this down with these annoying spammy apps. Before we do get started, I want to remind you guys, we did open SammyGuru Rewards, your way to claim your free mystery box when you pre-order the Galaxy Z Fold 8, Z Fold 8 Ultra, or Z Flip 8, and also earn Guru points when you engage with our content, the brand new community forums that we're building, and other great engagement activities. So check that out below in the pinned comment description if you're interested in that. So here is the setting and what it does. It's called Block Apps with Excessive Ads. And when it catches an app firing off a crazy number of advertising notifications, well, except for Samsung's own apps, it automatically drops that app into deep sleep, which basically handcuffs it from running in the background so it can't keep spamming you. Now, one important thing to note here is that this catches the advertising notifications that would pop up in your notification tray, but it does not stop the ads in these apps themselves. If you still go to the app and engage with the app inside of the app, you're going to see ads there, and almost every app that is not a paid app now has ads these days, so that's not surprising. And like I said, the other thing to keep in mind is this does not stop the annoying advertising notifications from Samsung's own apps, but there is an easy way to do that as well. And if you stick around, I'll show you how you can disable these notifications inside the Galaxy Store. So this is all about cleaning up your notification panel. There are 2 modes. Basic blocking is on by default on every compatible Galaxy. Samsung uses its own database to spot known offenders and restrict them. But there's a stronger one called intelligent blocking that you have to switch on yourself. Intelligent mode watches your notification in real time and can catch brand new offenders that aren't on any list yet, so it adapts as a new spammy app pops up in real time. Now, can this occasionally get an app wrong? It happens very rarely, but you can actually pull an app back out of this setting, and I'll show you guys how to do that as well in just a moment. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Here's the path, and it's a little hidden, so make sure you follow along. Open Settings and go to Device Care, tap the 3-dot menu in the upper right corner, hit Settings, then tap Block Apps with Excessive Ads. And here, make sure you turn on Intelligent Blocking. That's the setting that we're really looking for here. From now on, your phone watches notification activity in the background in real time and automatically restricts any app that starts spamming you with these advertising notifications. Just set it and forget it. Now, the satisfying part about this is you can actually see which apps are getting flagged by this setting inside Device Care. On the Device Care page, tap the graph icon in the upper right corner. You'll see 2 lists: unused apps, the stuff you haven't opened in 15 days straight, and apps that are flagged for abnormal behavior. Everything on those lists gets put into deep sleep, and if Samsung was a little too aggressive and put an app that you actually don't want here on the list, no problem. Just select the app and flip off the put in deep sleep toggle, and it's back to normal. You actually stay in control here, and that's really the greatest part about this. Now, like I said, inside of Samsung's own Galaxy Store, sometimes they send you advertising notifications for phone launches, sometimes even some misleading ones for freemium type games I've seen before, where they try to advertise it like it's a real notification and then it's actually just clicking into some game that they want you to purchase. Samsung's taking in ad dollars for this. But you can go into the Galaxy Store, go into your preferences in the settings, and turn off those advertisements directly from Samsung, and that stops those entirely. It doesn't need any additional filter, but this intelligent blocking I showed you guys earlier, it doesn't actually apply to Samsung's own apps, at least not in my experience. So you'll want to make sure that you do both of those things if you want to get no spammy notifications whatsoever. And that's the whole thing, a cleaner notification panel and less battery quietly drained by apps that you forgot you had. Quick heads up, Samsung added this pretty recently, so if you don't see it yet, your device might not have the One UI update, but most current Galaxies do. If this cleaned up your phone, make sure you guys hit that like, comment, subscribe, notification icon for future Samsung videos. We're gonna bring them back in a huge way with a lot of content, not just update content this time, but tutorial content, hardware content, reviews, comparisons, etc. Very excited about reviving it. I hope you guys will come on the journey with me. Check out SammyGuru Rewards for the big mystery drop coming up soon, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.